Well, Arkavati is a mountainous river in India. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the winter season in India has already started. December is budding and you can see every essence of winter close to us. And in winter seasons, outings and picnics are what we all love to do. So recently my exams got over, due to which I came to a short one-day outing today to a very beautiful place. You could say nature is at its best over here. So currently I am on the coast of river Arkavati, which is basically a part of river Kaveri. Kaveri is a river running through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu in the southern part of India, and is very essential for the lives of the people residing in these places. So Arkavati is a small river which diverts from it, which in turn has three reservoirs. One is the Vrishwabhavati, other is the Kumudavati, and the other is the Swarnamukhi. Now the Vrishwabhavati might click on to you because I have spoken about this river before. Yes, it is the Vrishwabhavati river I'm talking about, is the one which I have told you, which is present in the Mysore Road course and originated from the Bull Temple in Bangalore, and is one of the only rivers running through the city of Bangalore. So this is a very beautiful place. Here is where people take bath and all when they have come here for outing. Further if we go, there is a dam called which is the Arkavati Dam. Nowadays we're not allowed to go in there because of accidents in the past. It's all sealed up, it's all locked up. But when I was coming here, there was a part where you could view the river from, and it did not look like a river. It looked so heavenly. It just looked like a sea. I mean, it looked so beautiful. You would not even feel that this is somewhere around Bangalore. And this river is located 90 kilometers away from main Bangalore, which is the Vidhan Sauda, and it's going to take around 2 hours and few minutes to come here. 2 hours it's going to take, but it's certainly worth it. The drive is not bad. There are proper roads, no mud roads. You can easily come here. It's easily accessible, and there are small villages around here, so you will have no problem. There are pump stations and there are restaurants, so you can certainly plan to come here for a day. Now Arkavati river eventually drains into the Kaveri, as I told, near Mekidatu Sangam, which is also another very popular picnic spot near Bangalore, where I have been to. And if I go there next time, I'll certainly make a video over there also. And here there are like so many people having fun, and I really wish that I would have come earlier and had a little more fun. And the water is clear. Speaking about the history, long ago during the 1800s, that time the Diwans of Mysore decided to use Arkavati for the use of the normal people residing in Bangalore and in Karnataka, as the demand for drinking water increased. So that time they tried to purify Arkavati and they used it. But soon Arkavati started to get polluted, because during the 1980s Bangalore was getting urbanized at a huge scale, and that is why there was more and more increase for drinking water, water for daily needs, and laborers were not available for the cleaning of the river. And that is why that time the Karnataka government stopped depending on the Arkavati river, and they shifted back, or they had to go back to the Kaveri river for the supply of the people in Bangalore. And later on in 2000s there was a board formed for the clearance of Arkavati and Kumudavati rivers, but after that no such initiative was taken to clean this river. Some parts of the river are clean. As you all know, I have mentioned it before, the Vrishwabhavati river is polluted. It's basically where all the drainage of Bangalore is dumped into, and That's what I have to say. It's a wonderful place. You can visit if you are close by, and it's going to be good. You can have a lot of fun. Though picnics are not allowed here, you cannot sit on the banks of the river and do picnics because of past accidents. These are not allowed. So do not try to do that because you will have to go back sad. And yeah, there are places around here where you can obviously go and have a nice time. And the Savandurga temple is also not very far from here. It's around 10 to 12 kilometers. You can even go there. And this Arkavati river originates from the Nandi Hills, which is in Chikbalapura. There also I have made a video at Nandi Hills. So if you haven't checked it out, check it out. It will be coming somewhere at the top. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and click on the bell icon when you subscribe so that you do not miss on any video I post, because you will be receiving a notification if you click on the icon. And comment how did you enjoy the video, how was it. And that is it for today guys. Bye, see you in the next one.